build has to roll over these lines, right? So how it can go? That is what the first question. And the next question is, okay, see, let's do the frames first. Okay, frames are nothing but the build. Whenever the build is rolling from one end to another end, it requires some rollers to move that build properly, right? So we'll do that frames now. So, but before that, we need some holes on this at every uh, at some distances. We will have to, since it is a 5 meters, the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Okay, let's try to make 5 holes on this trigger, on this plane position. Yeah, middle one. I need to have one. Okay, so the point, one here and one more here, one here, one more here. Okay, make sure from this edge to this point you will have a 250 gap. So this one is having 500 gap. Okay, 1000 meter, nothing but 500, 1000, 2000 it is. Okay, yeah, mid you are having one more 10, right? So go to type. The M tool is enough for here. Okay, fine. Okay, I have holes everywhere. Okay, let's suppress this pattern. I don't have work with that now. Okay, so here I need to make rollers. So rollers are the subcomponents, guys. So that will having the bearings, shaft, and then the roller plate. Okay, so I'm not going to doing that now. Okay, so I'll make it as a solid body. Make it as 400. So okay, let's keep it as 120, and the shaft I'll keep 25. From this point to this line, I'll keep 150, and from this point, this roller width. Okay, I can't decide length. So 20 mm is protrudes from that. That's enough for me. Okay, so okay, this is fine. I use the roller command. That's it. Okay, the roller will looks like this, but for setting it properly, okay, it is too much. Let's make it this lines. Extrude cut, parts, surface. So it is okay, not up to surface. Offset from surface. Okay, surface is already selected, so 10 is fine. Okay, it is not possible like that. So this sketch, 9 enter, so this line and this 9 enter, trim. You can trim like this way also. Okay, exit, exit, offset from surface. That's it. Control yes. So here inside there are two bearings and one round shaft. Okay, so I'm not going to doing that now. So if it is not enough means we can even increase it 20 mm, not 30 mm also we can make. Okay, I will keep this 20. This is also 20. Update. That's it. So these are enough. Okay, these are roller. So the question is, how can we